I just spent $1,136 buying every best-selling camping table on Amazon to settle an argument with my buddy Jake. He swore his $30 Walmart table was just as good as the expensive ones. Turns out Jake was wrong, but not how I expected. I loaded all these tables with real camping gear. Some premium tables wobbled with just a camp stove. Others held everything without budging. But here's the weird part. The table that impressed me most wasn't the $150 professional grade one. It was this random $49 table I almost didn't buy. I tested 18 tables on real camping trips over 6 months. I'm going to show you which survived and which failed, plus at the end I'll tell you exactly which table works best for solo camping, families, or serious outdoor cooking. And that $49 table that's probably going to change how you think about camping gear. Just wait until you see what happened when I loaded it with 150 pounds of gear. Oh, before we start testing these tables, if you're tired of camping tables that fall apart when you need them most, just hit subscribe. You'll get honest gear reviews that save you from buying expensive junk. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station sits at number 1, and honestly, it's in a league of its own. This isn't just a table, it's like bringing your entire kitchen counter camping with 4 fold-out side tables, storage hooks, and even a paper towel holder. During a family reunion where we cooked for 12 people, this thing saved our sanity. The main surface handled our 2-burner camp stove, while the side tables held prep ingredients and finished dishes. The storage rack underneath kept propane tanks organized instead of scattered around our campsite. What makes this special is the one-piece design. You literally just pop it up and everything unfolds perfectly. When you're done, it folds down to just 3.7 inches wide. The heat-resistant aluminum top handled our camp stove for hours without any warping or discoloration. The 4 side tables aren't just marketing gimmicks either. Each one holds 30 pounds, so we loaded them with cast iron Dutch ovens and heavy coolers without any sagging. During windy lakeside camping, the 18.9-pound weight actually became an advantage. While lighter tables were getting blown around, this thing stayed planted. The built-in paper towel holder and hanging hooks proved incredibly useful during meal prep. We hung utensils, pot holders, and camp towels right where we needed them. The alloy steel construction feels like it'll survive decades of camping abuse. At $100, you're getting a complete outdoor kitchen that transforms your camping cooking experience. The portal table takes second place with its brilliant adjustable height system that solves one of camping's most annoying problems: tables that are too low for standing work or too high for sitting around. The telescoping legs adjust from 17.7 inches to 27.5 inches, so you can use it for everything from coffee table height around the campfire to proper standing prep work. During our Utah trip, we constantly adjusted it throughout the day. What sold me was the mesh storage layer underneath. This held our camp stove, propane cylinders, cooking utensils, snacks, and camp games. Everything stayed organized and off the ground where sand and critters can get to it. The roll-up aluminum top is pure genius. Unlike solid tops that take up huge space, this rolls into a compact tube. The whole thing weighs just 9 pounds but holds 132 pounds of gear. During my stress testing, I intentionally overloaded it with 150 pounds of gear. The legs held firm and the top stayed perfectly flat. Most tables would start bending with half that weight. Setup takes about 60 seconds. The non-slip feet kept it stable even on rocky, uneven ground. After 6 months of regular use, including brutal Wyoming windstorms, this table stayed planted and functional. The carry bag actually fits the table properly and has comfortable handles for transport. At $76, you get adjustable height, smart storage, and proven reliability. Taking third place is the Nature Hike IGT table with its modular design system that works with compatible camp stoves and grills. This brought a level of versatility I didn't know I needed. The IGT system features 3 modules that create multiple combinations depending on what you're cooking. During a week of car camping, this modular approach was a lifesaver. Monday we needed breakfast setup. Tuesday we were grilling, Wednesday was meal prep day. The build quality is insane for the price. This weighs only 8 pounds but supports 220 pounds. The aluminum construction feels bomb-proof and shows no flex even under heavy loads. I tested this by loading it with our largest camp stove, multiple pans, a heavy cooler, and even sat on it myself. Zero flex, zero concern about it failing. The engineering here is professional grade. Setup takes literally seconds thanks to the folding design. It packs down to just 34.1 inches by 6.3 inches by 5.9 inches. Incredibly compact for a full-size table. The hanging rod is perfect for utensils. The modular compatibility opens up serious possibilities if you want to build out a complete outdoor kitchen system over time. The 6063 aluminum alloy construction shows no corrosion after months of use in various weather conditions. At $99, this delivers professional-grade modularity and durability. The Hay Trip table earned 4th place by solving storage problems I didn't realize I had. The bottom storage layer with MOLLE straps keeps camping gear organized and accessible. During a multi-day fishing trip, we used the adjustable height constantly. Low for sitting around the campfire, high for food prep and fish cleaning, the X-shaped supports kept it rock solid even during aggressive work. The storage layer is what makes this special. Those MOLLE attachment points work for hanging tackle boxes, camp tools, or extra gear. The bottom board held cooler ice, camp chairs, and tackle that usually ends up scattered around. The aluminum construction proved completely waterproof during an overnight storm. While other gear got soaked, everything on and under this table stayed dry. At 13 pounds, it's light enough to move but heavy enough to resist wind. The adjustable legs work smoothly even after months of use, and the locking mechanisms feel solid. The 66-pound weight capacity handled everything we threw at it without any flex or concern about overloading. At $80, you get smart storage, adjustable height, and weatherproof reliability. The King Camp takes 5th place with its massive 53.5 inches by 27.5 inches surface that gives families room to eat together without playing Tetris with plates and drinks. During a group camping trip with 3 families, this table became the social hub. The triangle support design provides serious legroom underneath. Even my 6'2" brother-in-law could sit comfortably. What impressed me most was watching 12 people use this simultaneously for pancake breakfast. Griddle in the center, plates around the edges, syrup bottles everywhere, and we still had working space. The construction quality looks premium despite the reasonable price. The aluminum alloy survived daily abuse from kids and adults for a week. The thicker aluminum doesn't flex under load like cheaper tables. Setup takes about 2 minutes with 2 people. The 18.3-pound weight is manageable, and it folds down to fit most car trunks. The 300-pound capacity isn't just marketing. The anodized treatment means the surface cleans easily and shows no staining after spilled drinks and food. The triangular support structure eliminates the wobbly feeling common with large camping tables. At $96, this gives you restaurant table space that transforms group camping. Taking 6th place is the Alpha Camp table with its height adjustability and large storage basket that solves 2 major camping problems: uneven ground and gear organization. The legs adjust from 29.5 inches to 37.4 inches and can angle to accommodate seriously uneven ground. During a mountain camping trip on a steep slope, this feature let us level the table where other tables would be unusable. I tested this on terrain with a 6-inch height difference from corner to corner. By adjusting both height and angle, we got a perfectly level cooking surface that felt rock solid. The mesh storage basket held way more than expected. Camp stove, propane, cooking gear, games, and cooler ice all fit easily. When folded, it packs down to just 9 inches by 6.7 inches by 27 inches. The waterproof finish actually works. We've used this in multiple rainstorms without any water damage or corrosion. The locking mechanisms operate smoothly even after exposure to sand and dust. At $100, you get serious adjustability and storage in a compact package. The larger portal model earns 7th place with its expanded 47.2 inches by 27.6 inches surface. That's 1.8 times bigger than the standard version. During car camping with extended family, this handled meal prep, dining, and game nights for 8 people comfortably. Kids could work on crafts on one end while adults prepped dinner on the other. The same adjustable height system works perfectly here. The mesh storage layer benefits from the larger footprint. The 132-pound capacity easily accommodated multiple camp stoves and coolers. The roll-up top design means it still packs reasonably compact despite the larger size. Setup time increases slightly to about 90 seconds, but that's still incredibly fast for this much surface area. At $82, you're getting family-size workspace with proven portal reliability. And as I've promised in the beginning, the hidden gem, iClimb Lightweight Stable Table. This is the camping table that completely changed my perspective on camping gear value. The iClimb Lightweight Stable Table, at just $49, this little beast consistently outperformed tables costing 3 times more. This compact 15.7 inches by 15.7 inches table weighs only 3.3 pounds but supports 176 pounds. That strength-to-weight ratio is absolutely insane. The triangular leg structure creates stability that puts much larger tables to shame, but here's what really impressed me: the engineering details. The 2 stabilizing bars lock the roll-up top perfectly flat with 0 flex. The triangular legs create a rock-solid base that doesn't wobble even on uneven ground. During a week-long backpacking trip, this handled daily cooking, gear staging, laptop work, and evening card games. The wood-grain aluminum top is heat-resistant for camp stoves and completely waterproof. Setup takes literally 30 seconds. It packs down to just 16.5 inches by 7 inches by 3.5 inches, smaller than most camp chairs. The lifetime warranty shows they stand behind this product. The anti-slip feet grip well on various surfaces, and the compact size makes it perfect for solo camping or as a backup table for larger groups. At $49, this proves you don't need to spend big money for serious camping table performance. Which table should you actually buy? Your perfect camping table depends on your specific camping style and group size. For the ultimate outdoor kitchen experience, grab the GCI SlimFold Cookstation. It's worth every penny if you do serious camp cooking. For large families or group camping, the King Camp Spacious Table gives you restaurant-sized space where everyone can eat together comfortably. For solo camping or couples, that iClimb table is unbeatable. At $49, you can buy 2 of them for less than most single tables cost. For serious adjustability, both portal tables give you height flexibility and smart storage that adapts to different camping needs. For gear organization, the Hay Trip table with MOLLE storage keeps everything organized and accessible. For uneven terrain, the Alpha Camp table's adjustable legs work on slopes where other tables would be unusable. For modular cooking systems, the Nature Hike IGT table gives you professional-level flexibility for complete outdoor kitchens. What's your biggest camping table frustration? Weight, stability, setup time, or storage space? The right table can solve whichever problem bothers you most. If this helped you choose your next camping table, check out my video on best camping stoves to complete your outdoor kitchen setup, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest gear testing.